Good morning, this is Ned with Dufresne Property Inspections. I wanted to do a quick, short video about the garage door located in most homes. Garage door or vehicle entry door is, Mollie, shush! Is can be one of the most dangerous components of your home if they are not properly maintained and in good condition. Shush! Anyway, I set up a little demonstration. This is not a full inspection of the garage door, but I wanted to cover the safety features. Please pardon, this is my workshop and it's very messy. I set up a little play set, kind of like having children playing where your garage door would come down. First safety feature to look for is your manual release. It serves one purpose. That's not safety related. It is a release in case you are out of power. You can operate the door manually. However, the safety feature related to the manual release allows that if the door should be pressed down and pinned upon someone or something, you can manually release it and thus get the door off of them. While I have the door released, let's release it again. One thing I'm checking for is that the door is counterweighted. Garage doors can weigh anywhere from 100 to 5 or 6 or 700 pounds or even more, possibly, depending on the size. And you don't want that door free falling down. It's a lot of weight coming down with a lot of injury, can cause a lot of injury or severe injury. Anyway, that's one thing you definitely want to have in working. So this door is counterweighted. It's standing in position in its own spacing. Next safety feature is there are safety I-beams located at each side of the door frame. Once the safety I-beam is interrupted, the door reverses back in direction. Next safety feature is pressure sensor reverse feature. Once the door detects pressure or resistance, it should reverse in direction, thus eliminating or mitigating possible injury. There we go. Oh, knocked the baby doll down. Again, this is not a full inspection of a garage door. I just wanted to touch base on the safety features. If you're thinking of purchasing a home, please have it inspected by a licensed professional home inspector and get it checked out for the safety features as well as the overall condition of the home. Have a good day, and I thank you. Bye-bye.